climb a lot of steps to get to this Capitol building here in Washington. But I wonder who this sad little scrap of paper is.
I'm just a bill, yes, I'm only a bill, and I'm sitting here on Capitol Hill. Well, it's a long, long journey to the capital city. It's a long, long wait by the sitting committee, but I know it'll be a lot someday. At least I hope and pray that I will. But today I am still just a bill.
Gee, Bill, you sure got a lot of patience and courage.
Yes, at first I wasn't even a bill. I was just a law. Some folks back home decided they wanted a law passed, so they called up their local congressman, and he said yes, there ought to be a law. So he sat down and wrote me up, and then I became a bill, and I will remain a bill until they decide to make me a law.
I'm just a bill, yes, I'm only a bill, and I got as far as Capitol Hill. Well, now I'm stuck in committee while I sit here and wait, while a few key congressmen discuss and debate whether they should let me be a law. How I hope and pray that they will. But today I am still just a bill.
Listen to all those congressmen arguing. Is all that discussion and debate about you?
Yeah, I'm one of the lucky ones. Most bills never even make it this far. I sure hope they decide to vote on me favorably, otherwise I might die.
Die?
Yeah, die in committee. But it looks like I'm going to live. Now I go to the House of Representatives where they vote on me.
And if they vote yes, what happens?
Then I go to the Senate, and this whole thing starts all over again.
Oh
Oh
no!
yeah! I'm just a bill, yes I'm only a bill,
and I got as far as Capitol Hill. Well, now I'm
off to the White House where I stand in a line with a lot of other bills for the president to sign. And if he signs me, then I'll be a law. How I hope and pray that he will. But today I am still just a bill. So even if the whole of Congress says you should be a bill, the president can still say no?
Yes, that's called a veto. And if the president vetoes me, then I have to go back to Congress, where he votes and me again. And by that time, I'm so old.
By that time, it's very unlikely that you'll become a bill. It's not easy to be a bill, is it?
No, but I hope and pray that I will. But today I am still just a bill.
He signed you, Bill.